new bulk connector which I bought recently. The usual problem for me in case of this type of connector is to solder here, and I was not able to do that, and you can see that I have connected it by twisting the wire and there will be a loose contact. That's because while soldering, the whole thing is metal. The metal will conduct away the heat from the soldering iron, and it will be very difficult to solder this joint with the usual soldering iron. Maybe with higher power and better techniques it might be possible. In this case, I have dismantled the new connector, and you can see that I just have to solder this point, the inner conductor, which will be usually easy because it is surrounded by non-conducting material. And here I can solder this eyelet. That's also thin metal, so I presume it will be easier. After that, I can assemble it using this nut. Pushed out this old 65-watt soldering iron from my junk box and cleaned the contacts as much as possible with sandpaper and a scraping knife. That's all I can do, and hope for the best. I cleaned the contacts, and then I am just dipping it in solder paste. I am just dipping the soldering iron also, collecting a little bit of solder on this. A little bit of solder has been applied to the tip of the wire also. Applied a little bit of solder on the inner conductor also. Now the inner conductor has been soldered, and I hope that will be fine. Repeated the same process for the eyelet, and now I have two connections for the SO239 ready. The eyelet with the wire soldered has been fixed on the SO239 using the nut so that it is tight.